David, salted, roasted sunflower seeds product review. Now, y'all, this is Bobby approved, and that's a good thing. Now, I don't like sunflower seeds. You gotta crack them open and then you gotta chew them, and it's a lot of work. Now, I don't know what the ingredients in here is. Let me see, they got sunflower seeds and salt. I guess that makes sense. And I think the real brand is Conagra, but they trying to steal King David's name to make themselves sound better. All sunflowers in the world is telling you to like, subscribe, share, comment. Cause you're beautiful and that's why. And now for my real man voice. I give Conagra, David, salted roasted sunflower seeds. I guess. Dumb up.